Now we are discussing about small manufacturing units. In that, today we are discussing about roti making. Roti making machines are also available. For all these, we can discuss now. Roti making. How do you make roti making for the first time? First time. What are the ingredients in roti making is 2 cups atta whole wheat flour, 270 grams plus 1/4 cup of for rolling the roti water, and 2 teaspoons oil optional, that is 5 to 10 ml it will be, and water is as needed to knead a soft dough. I used around 3/4 cup, that is approximately 180 ml, plus 1 tablespoon, that is 15 ml ghee to brush the rotis. This is the basic ingredients for making the roti. And next point is, what is the ratio of flour to water for roti? Ingredients: 3 cup atta wheat flour, that is 3 cups of water, and 1 plus 1/4, 1/4 1 and 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoon oil, and this is the information of ratio of flour to water for roti. And next point is, which ingredients are present in roti? Chapatis are made of whole wheat flour known as atta, mixed into the dough with water, edible oil, and optional salt in a mixing utensils called as parat, and is cooked on a tawa, that is flat skillet. It is known as pulka in Punjabi, and saraika and saraiki, and mani in Sindhi. Sindhi means in Sindhi area and Sindhi state. And the next point is, how can I make roti soft? Knead the dough well. It should be done you should be not too hard and not too soft or sticky. Let the dough rest covered with a damp cloth for 13 minutes, so the gluten is released and it becomes more pliable. Roll the dough with soft hands, applying equal pressure on all sides. Apply ghee or oil to keep the rotis soft for longer. And the next point is, does baking powder make roti soft? Make use of some kind of leavening agents to keep the rotis soft for a little longer. What is this? Unlike a regular bread recipe, don't need to a softer dough. He want the dough to be little stiff here, so knead for around 5 to 7 minutes only. Next point is, how do you calculate flour? Instructions: first, stuff the flour in the bag or canister. Spoon the flour into the measuring cup. Scrape a knife across the top of the measuring cup to level the flour. Don't scoop the flour directly from the canister. 1 cup of spooned and leveled all-purpose flour should weigh between 120 and 125 grams. Next point is, how much water does a roti need? This is 50% hydration dough. We will be using 1 cup flour to half cup of water. Put 1 cup of flour in a bowl. Add half a cup of water and mix with a spoon. And next point is, how long should you rest chapati dough? Dough means the making round. Allow the dough to rest for at least 20 minutes before rolling. But that means in that it will like water will the dough will extract the wetness of the dough 20 minutes before rolling. And if you leave your dough uncovered for 20 minutes, don't be surprised if you can't chew the final product, cover the dough after needing to avoid loss of moisture. Don't be so mean with cooking oil if you want soft chapatis. This is the information regarding roti making. Roti making, so many are available. Roti making machines, ready-made machines are also available in indiamart.com. You can get to those things by selecting your own according to your budget. Also, roti making of 10, 100 and 1000 also machines will be available. According to your budget, you can make it. But I am suggesting you that around 10 rotis at a time machine is better instead of 100 rotis at a time, because the supply will be there. Demand also should be there in the same way. So the minimum roti making machine is enough. Otherwise, you can take some time. That is enough. But product should not be wasted out. That is the information. So roti making machine is very good, but it will be really heavily useful to almost all hotels and small tiffin centers also. They cannot nowadays. They are not able to make rotis in tiffin centers also. Times are not like previous. The human energy is becoming reducing day to day. So that roti making machines are there. They are getting orders from 2 to 3 roti making manufacturing units. They are taking from them also, and with some additional price they are selling. By that, it is also comfortable to making units and as well as tiffin centers also for the time being. Wishing you all the best.